Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior, and we have a black interior. You have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, blind spot assist. This dark wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look at the front of the vehicle. Coming around in the back, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, lots of storage back here, plus some brand new all-weather mats, and you can always flip those seats down very easily, just the push of a button if you need a little extra storage room there. And push button to close the trunk. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle next. Very low mileage on this vehicle, only 10,319. Do have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio. Can access different functions here, including any ambient lighting in the vehicle. And in addition to using the touchscreen, you also have a command module right down here. You can make adjustments right here. And there's another one here on your steering wheel as well. Display also features your backup camera. Below that is your climate control. And then cup holders, cigarette lighter and ashtray, the command module mentioned earlier, and the shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.